You have to pull a trailer and get fuel mileage. This Cummins is for you. Stop for restroom breaks before fueling is what this truck is known for. This Cummins 6.7 Li6 turbocharged, 4-wheel drive, anti-lock brake system brakes, low tire pressure warning, and remote keyless entry. All the right ingredients. Diesel. Want to stretch your purchasing power? Well, take a look at this rock-solid 2010 Dodge Ram 2500. New car test drive said it brings a level of refinement that is long-term more significant than the sheet metal it's wrapped up in. Proven driven lines and components, realistic hauling and towing ratings and performance, and a broad-based set of configurations and amenities will provide the right combo for your work truck, horse hauler or recreational tow vehicle. This truck